To insert a row or column in a palette set, you would have to go to Tools menu. From there, go to Advanced and then select Edit Palette Set and wait for the Edit Controls and Functions Palette Set dialog box to appear. Once the Edit Controls and Functions Palette Set dialog box appears, then either select the Functions palette or the Controls palette where you want to make the changes. Let's select User Libraries for as an example. Right click and open area, then go to Insert and select Empty Row to insert an empty row, or right click, Insert and then select Empty Slot to enter a whole column. Also, if you select a VI, press and hold Shift. But before that, let's delete these extra columns that we have added and rows. So you can also add extra columns and rows while you are moving a VI. Suppose we want to move this Add VI. Select it, press Shift and then drag it to a new position and a new row is added. Likewise, a new row is added. Then you can go to, when you're satisfied, you can go to the Edit Controls and Functions palette set, click Save Changes, press Continue, and your changes are now applied. You can check by right clicking, going to the palette that where you made the changes, and you would see the new changes applied. If a row or column appears at the end of a palette and only contains synchronized items that are hidden and or items that LabVIEW cannot find, for example this one and this one, the row or column is only visible when editing palettes. If the palette uses an icon format, a question mark on the palette indicates that LabVIEW cannot find the object on the palette. If the palette uses a text format, objects with an X mark on a pinned palette and dimmed up objects in a temporary palette indicate that LabVIEW cannot find the objects on the palette. So this is how we can add extra rows and columns in a palette set. Hope this video helped you in your understanding of LabVIEW programming. Thanks for your visit, and please do keep visiting.